Hey everyone, welcome to Prime Video Direct. Today I'm going to show you how to create your first title entry. This entry includes the title name, the category, and the metadata language. After you sign into your Prime Video Direct account, be sure to download our onboarding guide for a step-by-step walkthrough of the PVD publishing process. This guide includes a breakdown of our formatting requirements and a number of other tips to help you publish successfully. Click on Your Videos when you're ready to add a title. You can choose between standalone content, like movies and short films, or episodic content like TV shows and web series. Note that you cannot switch between standalone and episodic once the title entry has been created. Click on Add Title to create your title entry. Your full title name must appear on your key art and cannot include all caps, special characters, emojis, or offensive language. The category describes the type of content you're publishing and is often determined by its duration. Movies need to be at least 40 minutes, short films are around 40 minutes or less, and anything under 10 minutes is considered a clip. Next, choose your title metadata language. The metadata language determines the language of your title name and synopsis, as well as the available publishing locations. Choose English if you're publishing to the United States or the United Kingdom. Choose German if you're publishing to Germany, or choose Japanese if you're publishing to Japan. You can't change the metadata language after it's been selected, which means if you want to change publishing locations later on, you need to create a new title entry and choose the corresponding language for the territory you're trying to publish to. Once you've entered your title name, chosen a category, and selected the right metadata language, click Continue to move on to the title's catalog listing page.